How to duplicate Google Forms. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you how we can duplicate specific forms. So for example, if you have a form with plenty of questions and you don't really want to rewrite questions every time you create a form, you just want to duplicate it and basically change a few things. This is actually very doable and it's actually very easy. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So you will need to obviously open up your Google Forms here. You want to go to the editor, so you will need to obviously open up Google Forms. And then just go ahead and locate the form that you actually want. So for this video, I'm just going to use this one. So example form. And we can see here the questions that we have, a few images here. And we have option 3, option 4. And three different sections here to copy, and we also have responses. And let me just tell you that responses are not going to carry over. The only things that we are going to duplicate is the questions basically. So to do so, you just open up the form like I said earlier, and then you would want to click on the three dots on the top right corner. So just go ahead and click on that. And then from here, the first option that you will find is make a copy. So this is going to basically copy this entire form and create another one. So just go ahead and click on the first option. Now you will need to select the new name for this copy of the form. So I'm just going to name it example form. Sorry about that. Duplicate. And obviously you can name it whatever you want. And then you can also choose a folder. If you want to move it to a specific folder, you can simply do so. And then we have the last option here, which is share it with the same people. So if you have shared it with some people, the previous one is just going to share it with them again. You can either turn this on or off. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to leave it off. And then I'm just going to click on make a copy. And it should open up on a new tab the new copy for our Google form here, which should say now on the top left, example form duplicate. Now you can see now that we have the exact same thing. The only difference is, like I said, here we have some responses and in here we don't. And you will need to make sure that you change the title over here, not the actual title of the form itself, but you know, the header of the form in here. So you can always just change it. So we can just do example form duplicates over here. And also you can just feel free to change whatever you want to change. It's just going to be exactly the same. And if we just go back to all our Google Forms, you will find two of them now. You will find the first one and also the second one, and they're pretty much exactly the same. So this is pretty much how to duplicate a Google form. So hopefully you found this to be easy to follow, and thanks for watching.